focus on the question type checkbox. And this is going to be a pretty used question type, so I think it's definitely worth looking at how it works. Now, checkbox, what you can do is, once you choose, it's under the boolean, by the way, so insert your checkbox, you'll get different types or different variations to it. So you'll get a single checkbox, you'll get a static, where you can add your multiple values, and these are not single selection, but rather multiple selection. And if you do want to make them single selection, you have to check single selection here. And you can also pull from Salesforce as well if you want. You can do that also. Let's actually do a quick example. So let's say I choose account and I choose account type. So that's going to be my value. And then in here I can say choose account type, something like that. So that's what's available, and then I'll show you how this works. So let's publish. Let's go to object. We'll choose contact. Choose contact ID. Go next. Add a condition. Last name contains the word blogs. It's good for me. Email. Custom email. Checkbox. And then we will use web URL. And then just simply go ahead and push. Here it is, test. Go next. Titan.com. And then click to send. And now the survey is sent, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. So give me a second, and I will pull across the email for you right now. Right, so I've received my link. And I'm just going to paste the URL. Let me just copy it. And then here it is. So remember, we did this dynamic, so you should put in dynamic values in here. So click start. And look at that. This is it. And now because we checked single selection is now available. So I'll choose this one, click submit. It's now going to go to Salesforce. Let me show you what it looks like in Salesforce. So here's my response. And we will go directly to the response here. So here's my response. You can see that the value has been pulled in, which is the channel partner reseller, and the JSON as well. And then there's my question, which is choose account type. So that's the question functionality for you. As I said, you can use single checkbox, you can use multiple checkboxes, but with single selection, all these options are available.